One fruit to shrink an enlarged prostate. Roughly 50% of men over the age of 50 have an enlarged prostate or benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, according to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases. By the age of 80, nearly 90% of men will live with BPH. The good news is that a diet rich in certain vitamins and minerals can keep your prostate healthy and lower your risk for BPH. Being overweight is another risk factor for developing the condition. So making nutritious food choices is also a great way to lower both your weight and your risk. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for many yet often overlooked: managing an enlarged prostate through nature's bounty. But before we reveal these 6 life-changing fruits, let's talk about fruit number 1, a game-changer in prostate health, which we'll explore in depth at the end of our list. This fruit is not just a mere part of your diet, it's a powerhouse for prostate care, and you definitely don't want to miss this. An enlarged prostate, medically known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, affects numerous men worldwide, leading to discomfort and health concerns. While medications are a go-to solution, nature offers its own potent remedies. In this video, we'll uncover 6 exceptional fruits that not only tantalize your taste buds but also hold the key to reducing prostate enlargement. Fruit number 7, avocado. Starting our list at number 7 is the avocado, a fruit that is as nutritious as it is delicious. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy monounsaturated fats, crucial for heart health and beneficial for those with prostate issues. These fats aid in reducing inflammation, a contributing factor in BPH. Moreover, avocados are rich in beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol that has been shown to improve urinary symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate. This green, creamy fruit is versatile in the kitchen, perfect in salads, smoothies, or as a spread, making it an easy addition to your daily diet for better prostate health. Fruit 6, tomatoes. Number 6 on our list is the humble tomato, a common ingredient with uncommon benefits. Tomatoes are incredibly rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene is known for its potential to reduce the risk of prostate cancer and alleviate symptoms of prostate enlargement. This nutrient is more readily absorbed from cooked or processed tomatoes, so feel free to enjoy them in a variety of forms, from fresh salads to sauces and soups. Regular consumption of tomatoes can provide a delicious and natural way to support prostate health. Fruit 5, watermelon. At number 5, we have the refreshing and hydrating watermelon. This summer staple is another excellent source of lycopene, the prostate-protecting antioxidant. Not only does watermelon help in potentially reducing prostate size, but its high water content also supports overall hydration, vital for kidney and urinary health. Additionally, watermelon is rich in vitamins A, B6, and C, which contribute to immune health and overall well-being. Enjoying this juicy fruit can be both a delightful and healthful choice for those focusing on prostate health. Fruit 4, berries. Berries claim the number 4 spot, and we're talking about a variety here: blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These tiny fruits are nutritional powerhouses, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fibers. The high vitamin C content in berries is crucial for immune support and plays a role in reducing prostate enlargement. Their antioxidants like flavonoids and quercetin are known for their anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. Incorporating a mix of these berries into your diet can help reduce oxidative stress and support overall prostate health. Fruit 3, citrus fruits. Coming in at number 3 are citrus fruits: oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes. These fruits are celebrated for their high vitamin C content, which is essential in maintaining good prostate health. Vitamin C's antioxidant properties help in fighting free radicals, reducing inflammation, and potentially decreasing the risk of prostate enlargement. Citrus fruits also contain flavonoids, which are thought to support urinary health. Their tangy, refreshing taste makes them a perfect addition to your diet, whether consumed as whole fruits, in salads, or as fresh squeezed juices. Fruit 2, pomegranate. The runner-up on our list is the pomegranate. This fruit is not only visually striking but also packed with health benefits. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, including punicalagin and L-argitannins, which have potent anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. These antioxidants can help in slowing the growth of prostate cancer cells and improving prostate health. Drinking pomegranate juice or consuming the seeds can be a delightful and effective way to harness these benefits for your prostate. Fruit 1, papaya. And finally, the top fruit on our list, the papaya. This tropical marvel is a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and digestive enzymes like papain. Papayas are particularly noted for their anti-inflammatory properties, making them an ideal choice for managing BPH symptoms. The vitamins and minerals in papaya, such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lycopene, play a vital role in maintaining prostate health and preventing diseases. Eating papaya regularly can be a luscious and beneficial addition to your diet, providing both flavor and health benefits for your prostate. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored some of nature's most powerful fruits, each offering unique benefits to support and improve prostate health. Remember, incorporating these fruits into your daily diet can make a significant difference not just for your prostate but for your overall well-being. And for those looking for an additional boost, don't forget to check out our recommended saw palmetto supplement on Amazon, a natural aid for prostate care and urinary support. Stay tuned for more health insights by subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and embrace the power of nature in your journey to wellness.